morning, children, and hello, parents. Welcome to Standard 2 drawing class. Children, can you see this beautiful picture of a parrot? Yes, today we are going to learn how to draw this beautiful and colorful parrot. Some of you might be having a parrot as a pet at your home. So you must be knowing, children, that parrots like to eat chilies. They can mimic human speech even if they are trained well. So now let us learn how to draw a parrot. For this we need a black sketch pen. So we will begin with the head of the parrot. We will draw the head of the parrot as given in the picture using the curved lines. Can you see in this picture, children? The curved lines are used to give the shape of a parrot. We will try to give oval shape to this the beak is curved. It's time to draw the eyes. Of course, the eyes will be in circular shape. Here we will draw straight lines. The legs of the parrot will also be drawn with the help of curved lines in the way it is shown in the picture. Now let us draw the branch on which the parrot is sitting. branch can be drawn the way you wish to draw. Now let us draw the leaves also. We have to complete the picture by drawing the leaves and the branches properly, which is shown in the picture. Now children, this is how you have to draw a parrot. After drawing the parrot, you have to color it also. This is the worksheet which will be uploaded on the website. I hope you all have enjoyed the drawing class. Thank you and have a nice day.